Welcome! Today we're walking through everything that comes inside your Beginner Eyelash Extension Kit. This kit is designed for beauty professionals who want to learn a new, high-demand service. And it includes every tool you need to start practicing right away. With your purchase, you also get free online training. Right on top, you'll see a QR code that links directly to the course, along with your class code that unlocks the training at no cost. You'll learn proper technique, safe application, and step-by-step guidance to help you grow as a lash artist. Once you open the box, you'll notice that everything is packed neatly inside of a sturdy pink storage bag. This bag keeps your tools organized and protected. Perfect for practicing at home or carrying your kit with you. First, you'll find a set of practice eyelashes. These are designed to adhere to a mannequin head so you can practice isolation, placement, and adhesive control before working on clients. Next, you have two professional tweezers, one for isolating natural lashes and one for picking up and applying extensions. Here's the lash tape, which helps secure the lower lashes during application. You can use the tape on its own or together with the eye gel pads for extra comfort. You'll also get a bottle of pre-treatment. This is used to cleanse the natural lashes by removing oils and residue so your extensions adhere cleanly and last longer. The kit includes disposable mascara brushes, perfect for brushing through and grooming the lashes throughout the service. You'll also find flocked applicators, which are ideal for applying the pre-treatment or cleansing solution with precision. Next are your eye gel pads. These comfortably secure the lower lashes during the service, helping keep them out of the way. Here are the micro swabs, which are used at the end of the service to apply a thin, even layer of sealer to the completed lash set. The kit includes a glass tile, which acts as your lash workstation. It holds the extensions you'll be using and includes a glue well to keep your adhesive in place while you work. You'll also get a tube of sealer applied at the end of the service to help cure the adhesive and improve retention. Next is the cream adhesive remover, used when you need to safely remove eyelash extensions. The kit also includes an air blower. This tool helps speed up adhesive drying as you practice. You'll find 4 mixed-length trays of eyelash extensions, giving you the variety you need to create customized looks based on each client's natural lashes. You also get adhesive stickers, which help keep your glass tile clean and mess-free while you work. The printed training manual is included to reinforce everything you'll learn in the online training. And here's a counter display so you can advertise your new service to clients as you start offering lash extensions. The kit also comes with a bottle of eyelash extension adhesive. It won't appear in this video, but it is included in your kit. If you're excited to grow your skills and offer a service clients love, this kit is your perfect starting point. Order your Beginner Eyelash Extension Kit today and begin your journey to becoming a confident lash artist.